What's up, YouTube? Happy Sunday morning from Central Florida. Riding the Victory Octane with, for the first time with these drag bars, Victory factory drag bars. Found a Victory dealer that happened to have a set for half price on eBay, brand new in the box. And that was the one last thing that I wasn't thrilled with this motorcycle, was the were the stock pullback handlebars. I don't mind the pullback handlebars on a cruiser style bike at all, but these things were just pulled back just a crazy amount. Kind of gave it a grandpa-ish type feel, which it now does not have. The only issue I may run into is having the forward controls and the drag bars puts you at kind of like a hunch position forward, and I can see that becoming an issue with some lower back fatigue on longer rides. But I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Like I say, this is actually the first time I've had it out since getting these bars on this morning. Anyways, I'm thinking this is going to be the last thing I will do to this motorcycle, which is great considering I spent way in the hell too much money last year doing things on my motorcycles. Anyways, just a quick little video with these new bars. Time will tell if I'm going to want to keep them or go back to those stock bars that I had on. Anyways, hope everybody has a great Christmas. Appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for some more videos.